Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about functions. So, what is a function? Well, think of it as a magical box that has two holes and does something once we put something into the first hole and something else will pop out to the second hole. In this case, let's say we have this magical box that helps us calculate the area of the square. In programming, here I'm using the JavaScript. If we want to use a function, we usually, first of all, we give it a name. In this case, I've called the area of the square because our magical box, the function, helps us calculate the area of the square. Then we draw the first hole. This is our first hole here. And then we give the one and only thing that is needed in order to calculate the area of the square. The length of this side of the square. And after opening the first hole, we need to open the second hole, through which our result will pop out. So once we open the magical box, we will see that there is no magic involved actually, and there are these steps that the program will conduct once we call the function. In our case, the step will be this: return a times a, which is basically the area of the square. But hey, not all the functions work like this. There are functions that no matter how many things we put through the first hole, nothing will come out through the second hole. And why is that? Because in this second hole here, you will see that there are no steps included here, so the function doesn't do anything. So no matter what you put in here, nothing will come out of the second hole. And there are also functions that will return something here through the second hole, even if there's nothing in the first hole. Even if we don't put something into the first hole. So this is it about the functions. I hope you learned something new from this. Bye.